behind the line in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 5 begins. A lot of firepower in this match. So we've seen team 525 for red launching one of those pickup notes into the speaker. Meanwhile, over on the blue alliance, 7021, that's TC Robotics, making their way to pick up one of those midline notes. As drivers take the controls, we see robots trying to take advantage of these midline notes. Picking those up will allow them to do shorter cycles and get more notes scored quickly, setting themselves up for a lead. Red Alliance has already engaged in the cooperation. We'll see if Blue Alliance can join them, lowering both alliances' limits for the melody rank point down to 15. An amp score comes out of Team 5586. That's the Bond Brigade streaking underneath that red stage and making their way back for another quick amp shot. As Blue Alliance has already reached the 15 notes required for the Melody RP. We'll see if Red can do the same here as we enter under a minute and a half in this match. 8024 over near the red source, now making their way back with a note in their possession. Their partners, 8531, that's the Terminators, trying to get into scoring position as well. They've got a note locked and loaded, ready to go. Bumping into 5586 on their way back. They align up and in for an amplified shot. Nicely done by the Terminators. Bond Brigade gets one up into the speaker. Already at 20 notes for the Blue Alliance. They've got just over a 20-point lead on red as their partners, Thor Robotics, the machine in blue, adds to that points. 30 seconds left here in qualification match number 5. Some hard hits between the Swart Dogs and Thor Robotics over near the blue stage. Looks like TC Robotics 7021 may be making their way up to attempt a trap. We'll see if they're able to get high enough. They are close. They might be our first robot here at the Seven Rivers Regional to achieve it. They'll need to get up higher. As we enter the last 5 seconds, a few other robots lifting off the ground. We'll wait for the tally of our final scores. Score of 64-2, the Red Alliance is 45. Blue will walk away with 3 ranking points here. Qualification match number 5.